In this example, I want to take a look to see how we can use KChat for customer support and lead generation. And I'm going to use our own website to show you how it works. The magic of GPT is that it can generate answers that are really appropriate to the way that you are asking questions. For example, what type of content is supported by KChat? So now it's going to take a look at the content that I have in my knowledge base. KChat supports curated content by curator. So it's giving you a very important piece of information. It's also giving you a reference and a timestamp of where this is discussed. And when I click on the link, in our case, we are using our KBucket WordPress plugin as the landing page. So it's going to drop on to the KBucket page, open up the pop-up with the video that talks about getting started with KChat. And then you can see down here adding content to KChat at 1:36. So it's going to give you the timestamp. And everything that's generated by KChat comes from the content that you add to your post. So you can very easily modify this content, take a look at what type of questions people are asking, and then generate content that's going to correspond to the user's questions and gets them the right types of answers. A lot easier to modify this in an external database than if it's your website and you constantly have to update the content on your website. KChat also gives you the opportunity to generate leads or collect emails. So when I ask a follow-up question, how do I get started with Curator, it's going to pop up a form where users can leave their name and email address, and this is a way for you to generate leads from your KChat app. To get started is really easy. You log into your KChat app. First thing is that you add a knowledge base. You can see the knowledge base that has a description and it has a link that connects you to your Curator app. This is the file that I have uploaded. You can see that you can copy this link and paste it inside of your knowledge base, and then you have a knowledge base that's always up to date and stays synced with your Curator app. Then you create your chatbot, choose the knowledge base and the outbound links, whether it's on WordPress or it goes directly to the source of the pop-up. And then you can monitor your analytics and your chat logs, make sure that the answers that are provided are accurate, and then you can modify your content very easily and add new content in order to optimize your KChat. Very easy to test and get started. You will be impressed by the type of answers that are generated by KChat. Give it a try.